Hey everybody, it's me, the Original Beauty 22. Today I'm going to be, hold on, my head is itching from these cynically twisting my hair. Excuse the cup. I'm drinking milk and coke. Remember I did that challenge. Ever since then, I liked it. I remember said I liked it from the challenge. So I'll drink it sometimes. That's a big ass cup too. But anyway, today I'm going to be doing a challenge. It's the Quaker Oat brand hot cereal challenge. So basically in this challenge, I have to try to eat it dry. So what you'll need is a cup, or 2 cups, just in case you need to spit it out, or if you're in front of a sink or whatever. But I buy a cup. You'll need water, just in case, get it out your mouth. Ugh. So, as you can see, I've already poured some in there. It's like, can you see like the shadow of, it's like right in here. Hold on, can you see my face? Like right in there. Yeah, okay, so, ooh, my head is itchy. Okay. So, I'm using a tablespoon, you guys, so don't judge. That's why I look like that, so. Let's slide some of this off, because I'm very scared. Okay, there it goes. And 1, 2, 3, go. Wait, I'm scared. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. Wait, maybe, okay. Just be relaxed. Stay calm, okay? Stay calm, Keisha. Be cool. You're good. Okay? Just don't panic. Just breathe. Okay. I'm being OD right now. Okay, it's on here. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Wait. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Ooh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ugh. Oh, it tastes like, tastes like, ugh, tastes like dirt or something. Oh my gosh, hold on. Ugh. It tastes like dirt and, oh, It's still like sticky in my mouth. Ugh. No. No. Okay. I gotta go. No.